Hiya, welcome to the video, another video, or your first video, depending on if you've been here before. Right, today we're going to change our pollen filter, but we're also going to spray some disinfecting air freshener in the into the heater blower motor, because this car and that car both smell like sweaty socks when you turn the heater on or the aircon on. Well, C1 doesn't have aircon because it's shit, but I mean, it could just be me, but I don't think it is. So we're going to change the pollen filter, but before we change the pollen filter, we're going to try and disinfect it. So first, we need to take the pollen filter out. Now on this E46, nice and easy. You lift this up, and then the pollen filter you can slide out. Now you can take all these off and sort of like make it so it comes out easier, but I like to struggle. That isn't actually that old, believe it or not. So yeah, let's go and put our fan on. Right, so to start with, I'm just going to put fan on full whack, just on full whack, and then I'm going to when I'm spraying it in, I'm going to press this button a few times, and this one, just so it goes around the full system. I don't need to show that so much, but I'm going to show me spraying it in because that's exciting. Right, so as we can see in here, there's our blow motor, and we need to spray it in there. And this is the stuff we're going to use because it kills cold and flu viruses, which is important. I'm just going to use this. I don't even know what it smells like yet. I'm going to spray some of this in. And it does say that it's flammable, so hopefully there won't be a spark in the heater box and blow fucking dash out, because it'd fix the issue, but it'd be what would you call it? It'd be a bad side effect, wouldn't it? Make a good video, I suppose. So there, this is running. It smells nice. It smells like washing. Did before it stopped coming out. Yeah, you get the picture. I was worried about putting this into your air vents with an electric motor and possibly sparks. It is flammable a bit, but I think it's just the propellant that's flammable, because once it's on the floor and settled, it's not that flammable. Yeah, I can smell it. So it's doing something. So I'm just going to fuck about with these switches a little bit. Let's go and recirc. So that recircumcises the air. That comes in from outside, and that decides when it wants to recirc. So let's just keep it going a bit. I'll give it another dose, and then we'll put our pollen filter in. Doing its thing still. Let's put our pollen filter in. You can tell the difference between the old and the new one. This one's this one's been used a bit. This is our new one. You got to You got to pay close attention to these bits here, because they sit into little recesses underneath, which I'll show you in a minute. But this was supposed to be a carbon impregnated one. I can't see any, but I'll just take the word for it. It's a man filter. I always recommend using man filters because they seem to be good. They also do woman filters as well, but for this application we're going for a man one. Right, so as I said, there's two little pips on the bottom of the filter. Now they have to fit into them there. So the pips go at the bottom. Then you've just got to lift this up and slide the new filter in. So pips at the bottom. Lift up, SLF for a little bit. Yeah, it's not going in straight. I'm going to need the assistance of my left hand, I think. Now, I'm hoping you can hear me loud and clear, because I'm actually using the microphone. But if you can't hear me loud and clear, because my microphone stopped working again. So yeah, as you can see, it fits in there nicely. Then we just put our little doofers back in, just turn quarter. That's it. That's all there is to it. Hang your head on bonnet as well, you can do that like I just did. Finished. Happy days. I'm also going to do, well, I'm going to do that spray on C1 as well. Well, now, it smells like a hospital. Great success! So now we're in C1 and we're going to do a similar thing, apart from, this doesn't have a pollen filter or a cabin filter, because it's just too good for it. So anyway, before we turn our heating on, now I didn't do this on the other one, I don't know if it's going to help, but I'm going to spray some in there, yes. In there, yes. And in this one. And I'm probably going to get a mouthful of it when I sit in it next time. Well, I wanted to turn it on now, hold on. Temporarily got rid of the smell at least. Anyway, let's go and spray it in where we're meant to. Right, so if you have the fan on, near it's something in there. It should be clipped there, but mine doesn't have it, so I can just lift this up quite readily. But normally that would be put into place. Mine just fast access, everything is sort of it doesn't really need to be a racing car in that. Anyway, I'm holding my arm on end with it's shaking phone. There's the hole we've got it sprayed into, so let's do that. Try and arc it out on battle without a massive explosion. Yes. So it's sprayed into the heater box. Now, I do want to mention as well, I'm not advising you to do this, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So, if this, it says it's flammable, if this blows up, don't cry at me. Leave that to do its thing for a few minutes, same as the other car. See if it's actually flammable or if it cuts down. Don't think we're doing anything. The cage horse smells nice. You can also piss about with these to give it into different ductings and what have you. As you can tell by the action on that, this is a Rolls Royce. I mean, it's just the lightest touch, and then it's changes direction. It's lovely. And then now, when you want to defrost your car, and you're and it's freezing cold, you just have to start it, put it on full, and now it doesn't smell anymore. And then when you've finished your rapid warm-up initiation, then you can turn the fan back down to number 1 and just have it so it's not, you know, blowing in your face so hard. Anyway, this seems to have worked quite well. I did this a couple of days ago. It doesn't smell of Dettol anymore, it just doesn't smell of anything, so it doesn't smell bad again. Everything's working as it should, really, as you'd expect. And yeah, if it does start to smell again, I'll probably mention it in a future video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, see you next time, possibly. Peace out.